Hi folks, this is MK from eLive Entertainment. Today we're gonna talk about the plugin for Firefox and eLive. The first thing you have to do is try to download the Grease Monkey plugin for Firefox. So I'm gonna put the link somewhere. Install the script for eLive here, and then let's go on YouTube. And for example, you like this match, and you want to. Okay, so you just click on it. Sorry about that. You click on it, and you should get the eLive icon here. And for example, you are looking for casters on eLive about this match. Basically, you just have to click on the icon and click here, search this video on eLive. Now it gives you Roderick. Oh, sorry about that. I don't know how to pronounce your name, but I think it's the Spanish guy. He's a cool guy. And yeah, so basically you get one guy here casting on eLive about this match. So it's pretty cool if you are looking for a, I don't know, a Spanish caster or English caster for Korean match. Just click on it and you can see if someone already casted about this match on eLive. And then imagine you want to cast yourself. Just click cast now. Yeah. Okay. Cast now. And here is your playlist. Oh yeah, just one thing about the playlist. We have a new feature now. It shows you the last playlist. Because imagine you got a problem and you forgot to save your playlist. And you did an incredible work. So now even you get a bug or a problem, and I don't know, you quit eLive and you come back, well, it should give you your last playlist. Okay, now delete everything, and I want to add this match in my playlist. So what I do is, once again, I click on the icon eLive, add this video to your eLive commentary, and once done, see here, oh sorry, see here, it's automatically created as an object in your playlist. So I think it's going to be easier for you if you cast, I don't know, if you stack many matches or many YouTube videos or whatever. So thanks for listening, and thank you guys using and testing eLive. Okay, bye bye, see you next time.